guys? Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I got the Xmaxx out, and I got something special here. M2C. I think they're calling it the Max motor mount system, and ESC plate. So this is my Hobbywing Max 6, and this plate, which ties back to the front here and sits on the plastic rails, it also bolts into this new sliding motor mount. And they have holes for a Hobbywing Max 6, a Max 5, a Firma 160, the stock ESC, and I think maybe even the XLX2. I'm not 100% sure. And I actually was able to get my hands on a stock slide. So big shout out to Mitch Looper over at M2C for sending this to me to give it a try. And this is a 1600 kV stock motor, and this is a 23 tooth pinion, 54 tooth spur. And as you can see, I mean, it's super easy to get to these bolts on the side here so that you can unbolt this and this will come right out. The one thing I would mention is if you're gonna mount this on top, because I've seen a couple guys put it down here in the normal mounting position. Three Sons RC, Dennis, shout out to you. That's what he did. But I put mine on top because I think it's going to give it better airflow than underneath. You have to make your own little motor wire extenders if you're using a stock motor with a stock slide. I don't even know if Mitch is going to come out with a stock slide just yet. But no big deal, make a couple little motor wire extenders. So I'm running my Power Hobby 9,000 milliamp batteries because last time I ran this stock motor, it pulled a ton of amps. I had really short run time. So we're gonna see how this goes. Running around the street and then the backyard. So this is the stock motor to get, and it's off the 6S Xmaxx. So it's got a lot higher kV even than the Hobbywing 1100. So it's got a ton of top end. I found, like I said, it was not having the low end for me, and it was pulling a ton of amps. But a lot of guys, wow, a lot of guys run this motor with a Max 6, and holy moly, I don't know what's going on today. Getting good power today. Maybe it's the sweet spot for the gearing with a 23 tooth. Nice. I love these belted tires. Wow. Wow. The DBXLE did not like it when I was back here on this steeper angle. This is the one thing the Xmaxx has, is a weight advantage. It is a much lighter truck. But the thing I don't like about it is it's too narrow. Wow, that was nice. But there might be some widening hexes on the market soon or already that I don't know about. Nice. That's a huge divot, but that was a double. Oh! Yes! Boom! Oh, yes! I probably broke something. That was a nasty hit. If it took that, I'll be really impressed. Oh my gosh. It looks like it took it. Amazing. What a hit that was it took. Motor mount's looking good, so I believe this motor mount's out now. So I'd say anybody with an Xmaxx, this is a something you should look at for an upgrade, especially if you don't have WFO stuff already. So anyway, just a quick test of this, and we'll catch you next time. Oof. Oh, broken ramp. All right, guys, Xmaxx just obliterated my ramp. That is something.